Hi friends, my name is Ilha Fathima. I am studying in 7F. Today I am going to make a mug cake. We need a mug, all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, condensed milk, oil, fresh cream, vinegar, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, and some extra milk. Now let's start. Take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Now mix it well. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1½ tablespoon of fresh cream, and add 2 drops of vinegar. Now add 2 pinches of baking powder, one and a half pinch of baking soda, five drops of vanilla essence, now mix it well. Add 1 more tablespoon of milk. This can soften your cake. Mix it well. Now let's bake. If you are using microwave, you have to preheat your microwave for 10 minutes. Now place it for 20 minutes in 180 degrees cake mode. After 20 minutes, I am taking out my cake. My mug is a bit large, that's why you can't see how much it had risen up. It looks pretty delicious. Now take a toothpick or stick, press it into the middle of the cake to know whether it is still in the liquid form or hardened. My cake was hardened, but it was so fluffy. Now let's decorate. I have with me some chocolate flavored syrup, and some chocolate flavored strands. You can put any toppings which you like. Wow, it looks so delicious. Let's taste it.